Oh, when you get there. Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. I'm Xavier. Today we're going to be watching Doctor Who. Is the new season just starting. Ncuti Gatwa is the Doctor, and we have a new companion. Her name is Varada Sethu. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly. Apologies if I didn't. But for Varada. But yeah, so she was in last season as one of the soldiers in that episode where the Doctor was on the landmine and all of that. And also we saw her also on this channel. But I reacted to the Andor. She was one of the soldiers, agents for the rebellion in Andor. So those are two things I've seen her in. She's been good as an actress in those performances. So looking forward to seeing how she does here as the new companion. And I've heard, I think that they might be referring to it, her going back, referring to her looking the same, or I don't know, it might be a throwaway gag or something, I don't know. But I mean, like, I didn't watch any other trailers except like the one from like the Christmas special. So the other trailers, I've not seen the other trailers, so I think it was something related to that, so that's why. But yeah, so enough talking. Like event I went to earlier, and I was like came home and like slept, and then I just watched Doctor. I couldn't bother cut it off and everything. It just, yeah. So that explains that. So now you get to see me react to it. Okay, and so. Okay, and that was the Robot Revelation. Didn't feel like it. Let's get into it. 17 years ago.
A quadrillion miles away. I know girls aren't good at maths, but that's a long way. How can I celebrate your birthday and treasure this moment forever? So I bought you.
What did he buy her? A star?
Wow. So what it means is that star, that's yours. That star right there.
Nice.
Does it have to say Miss?
Are you married?
No.
Then it's Miss.
The nicest thing anyone has ever done for me. Thank you.
Just...
So awkward, wow. Damn. And it's the Doctor.
Who bit you? Was it a dog?
And she's a nurse. Okay.
She's tachy at 120, systolic at 70. She's had 1 gram of TXA, 5 milligrams of morphine, and she's got a gram.
Is the doctor looking for you?
Tell me about it. See you tomorrow.
No, just one little name. Look over there.
What?
Sorry.
That was very dangerous, you know, because life-saving equipment and all of that, you know. Earthquake? No, it's a spaceship. Oh, I thought it was like an apartment building. It's a oh!
Residents will stay in their rooms.
Yeah, I would.
Miss Belinda Chandra,
What?
you are Miss Belinda Chandra.
How do you know my name?
You will come with us.
Oh!
You killed the cat.
Miss Belinda Chandra,
Oh, you are kidding me.
Okay, this is what the doctor was looking for.
Belinda?
Wait, Mrs. Flood!
You won't see me.
Okay. Alright, okay, that's got to pay off for some Mrs. Flood. She loves the fourth wall break, doesn't she? She loves that. The Robot Revolution, written by Rusty Davies.
You haven't even got the right person! It's Alan that bought this thing! Mr. Alan Daniel Budd, go get him! Wait, what the hell is going on? It was Alan Daniel Budd! 16 years? Go get him! Daniel Budd! What was that thing?
What was that?
And we obey our robot overlords in all things.
What?
Our robot overlords.
So they're in charge?
Yeah.
The robots must be obeyed. Please help us.
Oh! I wouldn't get the... No, like, how did the doctor beat her there? What?
We'll celebrate your royal wedding.
To who?
The metal and skin may weld within Miss Belinda Chandra.
Oh.
Well,
She's gonna become one. Kinda like a Cyberman.
Once upon a time, the planet was united. Listen, the robots and people lived together in peace too. Robot revolution arose. Please.
what?
Action, robots. It told its soldiers to conquer all life faulty.
Okay.
So, you getting that?
I'm getting it.
Robots faulty
Can I?
cannot.
Oh, okay, I was...
Ninth word.
So, thank you very much. Very, very much. Gotcha.
I'm very grateful for your infinite wisdom. Good.
Nice, nice.
This is a fact. And then another fact.
Time.
Is now!
Ugh. What? Instant death? Just like vaporized.
6 months I have learned to trust him with my life. Take her home, Doctor. Then take me to the stars. That is a date.
Oh, vaporized. Knew it.
It's not my fault. None of this is my fault,
Okay.
mate. Don't shush me.
Hey, you know, I get her, you know, like, she just dragged into this, she has no idea what's happening.
The robots can track you down and find us. You have got to go.
We'll be starting a new shift on Monday.
Monday, Flynn. I'm an ordained Anglican Marine.
Some things don't change. There's always a doctor standing back while the nurses do all the hard work.
Okay, alright. I don't think so, but...
Give it a good rest for a couple of hours, okay?
I like that she just immediately started helping people. Oh,
Wow.
da. Yeah, I've heard that before. No, I mean, obviously it's heard that before because it's the thing.
It hasn't got too hard.
No. I'm not Miss Belinda Chandra kind. I'm from a different planet.
It's the sound of the drums in one of the...
It's literally the same diploma, like in a time travel way.
Timey-wimey.
Wibbly wobbly.
I don't know. It's been 2 hours?
It was 6 months ago. For me. Is that a royal decree?
as bad as the robots. Okay.
Oh, buddy, calm down. What's his problem?
Don't they explode?
Yes, yes. If you get the same atoms in the same space twice, the laws of time say no. Kaboom. Keep it very safe.
Is he planning to like get it into the same room with the AI generator guy?
This is all your fault, Queen Belinda.
What's she planning to do? Is she trying to get captured?
I'm saving you.
Belle, what have you done?
I'm sorry. But people are dying. Leave these people alone. Take me. I was one time part of the machine. I can talk to it. Maybe I can lead it to...
I doubt that, but you know.
Who says Miss?
Are you married?
What?
Are you married?
But that's what he said.
Alan.
At last, you know me. Belinda, beloved, behold!
That's weird.
Alan, are you alright?
Apparently not.
I told them to...
Alan Daniel Butt! Go get him!
Oh! Wow.
I can make up the rules and win. Oh, give it to me. Destroy him.
You started the revolution.
No more texting after 8 p.m. Okay?
Alan,
Oh yeah, this guy from when he said the women aren't good at maths thing.
it was correct me. And tut. And huff. And roll your eyes.
Interfaces with the machine on an 8-part loop. So every speech, every 9th word, your mind is free.
Face me! Obey me. Belinda, now hold the diploma.
Okay. Well, this is going on for a while. I didn't. This is weird.
The time fraction sent me like whoosh and bells. Oh, you are.
Okay, so that's what that was. Alright. Cause I was thinking that they're flashing through the times and everything.
But where's Alan? Where did he go?
Is he right there?
Think. He is microscopic.
Do you mean?
He's a sperm and an egg. Oh. Goodbye, Alan.
Is that your TARDIS?
Isn't she?
How does she know it's a TARDIS?
I mean, it's gonna be a tight fit with both of us.
Babes, there's still a little bit of mystery left.
Good luck.
Lovely. Let's go.
Yeah. Gotta move it.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
It is bigger on the inside than it is on the outside.
Was Monday Flynn?
Did she look like me?
Absolute match.
Ah, so they did reference it.
Because the genetic link is amazing.
Is that what you say to all the girls?
Something like that, yeah.
Is that what you said to Sasha? She trusted you. And she died. Tested my DNA without even asking my permission. God, You're dangerous.
Oh, she's taking it.
Ooh, damn.
Inexcusable.
I like her. I like her.
But I apologize.
I am not one of your adventures.
I will take you home.
Thank you.
Oh, this is rare. A companion not wanting to be one. You're just like, hey, bro, we had a good time, but yeah, I gotta get back home.
That was quick. Are we there?
No.
They're not moving? They're stuck? No?
That is all wrong.
That's where Earth is supposed to be?
Us off planet Earth on the day that we left. But why?
Doctor, I told you, get me.
He's trying.
Or not.
No! This might be the long way round, Miss Belinda Chandra, but hold on tight, because this is going to be quite a ride.
What? Okay, and that was the Robot Revelation. Didn't feel like it was amazing. It was just okay for me. The pacing and everything, it was good. Like, there was a lot of elements to it that were good. Like, acting was great. There was the visuals, it was visually appealing. It was the story made sense. I mean, it wasn't the best story ever, but it made sense and everything. It just didn't hit for me. I don't know why. I mean, is it because it's like I'm like kind of tired or whatever? It's just there's something. I don't know. It just never did come all the way together for me. I don't know, but just to say, I like that the parallels there, because you have the Alan was that this misogynist guy. We saw that at the first part. He's like saying, "Oh, women are bad at maths and everything," and the other thing, and then later we see that he's trying to control her and all that, and so they will see the doctor. He wants to take her on this adventure and everything, and took her the DNA and all that without asking her. So you see that parallel there, because like, oh, they're both trying to influence what she does, and the doctor doesn't realize that it's because he's so used to like people just letting him get away with it, and people just like most people just like, oh yeah, you want to take adventure, all right, and there's like more fascinated by what he is saying or whatever than actually thinking about those things where he's like, oh, he's like being controlling or whatever. You know, he's not actually being controlling. You see, I like that they did that kind of thing in that they did there. I give props to that. But yeah, so the story is it is time for her to think, the certificates. Alan causes the robot revolution, and then they have to get Melinda, and Alan wants to marry Belinda, and because his mind is warped by the whole machine thing, and so it just messes everything up and all of that. So yeah, I did not like the doctor like being so gleeful on what it kind of struck me like weird, like on like a bad way, like gleeful when Alan was like the egg experiment egg, and then the robot like swept it up. Like, okay, right. So he wasn't like the greatest guy everything, and he was like the villain of this episode. But like, I don't know, I just feel not very doctorish for him to be happy about that. I don't know. I think we've seen this doctor do that a bit. He's kind of like he's peaceful and everything. He's pacifist and he wants to resolve things. But then he's like, I don't know. There's sometimes this doctor, he's kind of like too happy in moments that should be played a different way. Kind of like somebody died and he's happy about it. It's like the doctor should be valuing the life and all that. So that's something off about this doctor. I like aspects about him. I like how playful he is and all that, and he's got good vibes and all that, and you know, you feel the weight of how everything is, and he tries to relate to people and all that, and so he's got some good character. But that it's kind of I'm not like that about him, but overall he's fine. But yeah, so decent story. You can tell with my reaction, I was not. I was tuned in. I was locked in, but just didn't bring everything out of me. So yeah. But speaking of Belinda, I like her. You see that she just immediately jumped in and tried to help. She stood up for herself and everything, and she's like the doctor, like, oh no, take me home and all that. So I like her so far, getting good vibes from her, and yeah, I'm just hoping to see more, and we'll see what happens. So I don't think I have anything else to say right now, but yeah, I don't want to be too long and everything, because this is the first episode, and if there's more to say, we'll see how the season progresses and like how everything builds on this one. But like I said, because I didn't really vibe with this episode, I don't want to really speak on it too much, because I don't know, it's kind of there, but it's a decent introduction to her. I'm talking about her. It's a decent introduction to her character, and like how she wanted to sacrifice herself, and also she's a nurse, and so she's trying to care for people, but she's also like headstrong and everything. She's like, bro, I asked you to take me home, and also you took my sample from me without asking. Like, what's wrong with you? That's not cool. She's like, she is cognizant of who she is in terms of like being an advocate for herself, and I love that. So I'm getting good vibes from her so far, and I can't wait to see her more. And so yeah. Oh, I like that. Before, I like that time fracture thing where they jumped in the past and everything, because that was when I called the doctor reached there before her, and it was like 6 months ago and all that. Yeah, so it makes sense. The slippy woppy timey wimey wibbly wobbly all that thing affected everything and all that, so that made sense. But apparently he said the certificate is the future and all that, and he got the certificate, and at the end we saw that Earth is no longer there. It's just like parts of various places. Like you see the London cab or whatever, I think it's like a London cab, and you see the Eiffel Tower, and we see the pyramids up here. It was a multiple pier, I don't remember, but yeah. So the 24th of May 2025, is that when the finale is? I think so. So everything is building up to that finale on May 24, 2025. And yeah, so hold on, let me just double check. That's 7 episodes. But I don't think this is more than 7 episode season. So that's weird. Maybe it's not. That's wild. Anyway, we'll find out. So yeah, those are my thoughts. Goodbye.